You could definitely go with like some oversized light wash denim, or if you like it more tapered, you'll get kind of this aesthetic. Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, varsity red, and black. There's actually no black on the shoe unless they're talking about the carbon fiber. Gotta love the classic Jordan box. They've been doing this, what, since like the Concords? Is that when they brought it back? Here we go, the moment you have been. Where the hell are the shoes?
I literally just got home from work. I have absolutely no idea.
Junior.
What?
Where are the shoes at?
What did I just say?
I told, dude, how many times do I gotta tell you just wait? Like, don't touch anything until at least shoot the review, man. Where are they?
They are in the box.
They're not in the box. I just checked.
Check again.
Man, you think I was born yet?
Yeah.
Bro, leave. I'm speechless right now. Here, I don't know what just happened. I don't know how we got bamboozled, but this is the Cherry 11 High. Last time we saw the Cherry 11s was in 2016. It was a retro of the original version back in 2001. And I will say, man, I said this in kind of like the first thoughts that I gave you guys. I am pleasantly surprised with these, like a lot cleaner. And I think maybe if I show you guys a few different outfits on how I would kind of style these, you might like them a little bit more. I think that's what it really comes down to. Pictures didn't really do these justice. I noticed some people were saying, oh, it's honestly a corny shoe. I'm not really feeling it. The red, I get it, man. Like, nobody typically wants to wear cherry red out. I feel you 1000%. And I completely understand why people sleep on these. And I also will understand who ends up copying these. Overall, man, very clean shoe. We have all white mesh, white leather upper. We have a high cut patent leather in the cherry red, white midsole. And then they ended up giving us the icy blue soles, which I think looks great. Red on the bottom, carbon fiber is in red. And I'm assuming that's what the black is, because on the box, like I said earlier, there's no really other black hints besides if we look on, you know, the Jumpman Jordan, that's obviously in black. So maybe that's gotta be what they're talking about. There is a widow's peak, just so you know. It is funny how like we went from having widow's peaks to no widow's peaks, and that was kind of how you told the difference between a real versus fake. You guys don't know, these are the Memphis 11s, by the way. Overall, a good looking pair, especially when you decide to pair it with something like some light wash jeans. As you guys can see with a little POV action, this is how they look. You almost have to pair it with the light wash. It just looks so much better. You could also go with black denim. I just don't think it's gonna look as good just in terms of the color blocking. You could definitely go with like some oversized light wash denim, or if you like it more tapered, you'll get kind of this aesthetic. And they look pretty good. Now, in terms of the other things that I would wear with these, it would most likely either be some khaki. I think that really looks best. You can pull out some cargos, and I'll show you guys some different styles, some different accessories and pieces, the way you can just kind of play around with it. Here's like a few of the pieces that I would kind of mess around with. First, we have this Jordan jersey that I got from the homie, Paul Cantu. Appreciate you, man. Bought this like years ago. I remember seeing this in, I think it was the No Stylist. Is that what that is? Drake in French Montana. Drake was wearing this, and it's a vintage piece. Pretty hard to find. I mean, you could probably find them on eBay, but man, the prices on these are, I can't even imagine. So still with like the simple white tee underneath, then some light wash denim. And then I just, you know, kind of throw this over. I have the camera so far, I can't tell if you guys can see my shoes or not. And you know, this is like more matchy, kind of like the sneakerhead look. Pair it with something like a black jacket. Obviously, we're moving into fall. This jacket's by Law, a company that actually have part ownership in. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. It has these patches that are Velcro and you can change them. But yeah, another like really simple, cool fall, winter fit. Your hair's a little bit shorter, throw a beanie on, and bro, I'm telling you, you got a fit. Two other pieces, you could just go straight denim if you really wanted to go wild with it. There's no rules against it. Probably not something that I personally would do though. It's really easy to just play it safe with a hoodie. If any of you guys think this hoodie's hard, let me know. This is for my brand Reverence. Hoping to have the full collection drop in November. But yeah, I mean, even this goes. This is just the simple color blocking. We have your light wash, forest green, and it still goes with the shoes. A little more Christmas vibes, but you kind of get the idea. You can definitely play around with a lot of stuff. Here's another safe bet that I would personally do. We have some corduroy pants. These are by Rag & Bone. but you can go with any khaki denim in general. You could even pull out some cargos. This right here is kind of more of the safer bet. White tee, corduroy pants, shoes. It's very simple. It just goes, like it just looks good no matter what. The real downside to these is just that cherry red only goes with so many different colors. Not really the most versatile sneaker. I feel like most pickups now, like in sneaker wise, I'm looking for more like neutral tones just because they go with a lot more things, you know what I mean? Opposed to this bright red, which really limits kind of what you can wear. There you guys have it, man. I hope this video helps someone out there in terms of styling, or if it's something that you even want to pick up. I do think they're really crispy, and they really surprised me with these. Kind of one of those shoes that I didn't think I really wanted or needed, and now that I have it in hand, I'm like, I would rock with these. But if we're being honest, guys, I'm probably not gonna keep these. This is clean, but really easy to pass on, because just knowing myself, I'm not gonna wear these. Like, I 1000% will not wear these. They're just gonna sit in the box like every other shoe. So let me know down below, man. Is this a cop or a drop? Will you be picking these up? This is your boy ASneakerLife, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.